Here's a quick tutorial on how to post your URL or web address into the discussion board for your ePortfolio. First, click on the discussion board link so you can access the discussion board. Then you can click Create Thread for your particular link. You can give your thread a title, and then in the box you can simply add your link. To do that, you'll click on your website, highlight and Control-C or copy the URL, and the Control-V will allow you to paste it. Then you can highlight your link, and they'll give you the option to create a link by clicking on this icon. This will open this window. You might need to maximize that window. It'll ask you for the length path, which is the same as the URL you had. In the target, I would suggest that you open in a new window. This allows people to not have to go back, open a new page in their browser. And then you have to click Insert. If you don't maximize your window, you might not see the Insert button. Now you can see that my link is actually linked with an underlined and in blue text. Now I can click Submit, and it will post my thread to the forum.